Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. Understanding how long an activity takes allows you to estimate resource needs more effectively. In this tutorial, we'll focus on defining how long it takes to complete a task. Let's begin by selecting a task, opening the Parameters pane, and setting a default value. You can set the processing times using fixed values in short or long format. These are best suited to tasks with a predictable time frame. Or you can choose from a variety of probability distributions. These introduce an element of real life to the simulation by allowing you to define a range of values over time that are statistically distributed. We're going to select Uniform Distribution and set the maximum processing time to 30 minutes and the minimum processing time to 20 minutes. If you want to edit the processing time, simply select it again and make your changes. And that's it! Now you know how to define a processing time. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.